because of its flying. And this element is iron. If iron and oxygen connect, iron atomic mass will be 56 and oxygen atomic mass will be 32.
It is barium. If barium connects with oxygen, it equals to barium oxide. Barium's atomic mass is 137.
Anlat kişiye.
It is oxygen's electrons. Oxygen has 6 electrons on outer shell. Oxygen's valence is 2. It is hydrogen. If oxygen connects with hydrogen, it equals to hydrogen 2 oxide. It's a formula of water.
Yes, thank you. Good. Course